South Central. Slauson. Long live J-Rock. Yo, I murdered all these rappers, get an ambulance. Aiming for the top, I got them scared cause I'm so accurate. Actually, y'all be faking it, talking but y'all just saying it. Me, I'm from the city where we be setting it off. No plug, we talks to the boss. Your body can end up blows somewhere over the river, it all depends on the coast. Smoking, I'll be working OT until I overdose. Posted in the gutter of the streets where you shouldn't go. Heard they selling yay, but I can see they got it up they nose. I kiss my mother every day because I might not make it home. AK-47 music, motherfuckers getting mad cause we the realest ones to do it. Free my family in the county cause I know they going through it. Long live J-Rock, he the reason why I do it. Let me welcome you to Slauson Avenue, where the police don't help, they be harassing you. Smoking weed just to get by, my mama know I get high. I rep my shit, I'm on my tip until the day that I die. I drop you like Geronimo, slam you like some dominoes. And if you want the beef, then I can smoke you like a Optimo. Real shit, I'm cold-blooded, heart made of cement and I know the hoes love it. I'm passing all my classes with my A+ gang, bitch. You the type to vote for Donald Trump, so miss me with that lame shit. I live and die by the code. Young Sinatra coming at you till the day that I'm gone. And shout out to everybody that be singing my songs. And one time for everybody that be rolling that strong. A middle finger to whoever said I wouldn't make it. All these rappers claim they on the throne, but I'ma take it. They don't know what to expect, but just prepare for greatness. The mixtape is about to drop, you can stop the waiting.